Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, everyone. How you doing today? Michael Zuber, one rental at a time. And wow, what an exciting stock market we had today. I checked earlier this morning when we were talking with Anna Kelly. I think it was up like 500 or 600 points. I go on a run. They find this virus, which, come on, we all knew was here already, didn't we? We did. We talked about that over the weekend. Lo and behold, we go from 500 or 600 points up to 300 points down because we found one case. Man, exciting day. If you are in the market, your nerves might be frayed, might be a buying opportunity. I don't know how you look at it, but I just felt compelled to really have an honest discussion with you about I've been here before, right? If you know my story, I had a huge run up, turning 7 grand into almost $200,000 over the last .com run up, and then I got cocky. I stopped doing the work. I bought calls, puts, you know, got on margin, all of those things because I was the next Warren Buffett. I thought I could do no wrong. And obviously, that party ended, and I lost 80% of my portfolio or $150,000. I've done that. So, one of the things that I believe about investing, I believe there is a right way and a wrong way to invest. If you are an investor, I believe a lot of the tried and true investing thesis are correct. They're not very popular. They get laughed at when the market is racing higher. But a couple of things I think we should just realize. I believe if you are chasing that emotion, that high, that almost gambling addiction, you're day trading, you're watching Wall Street bets, you're going long, going short, whatever it is, and your emotions are up or down on a daily basis. First off, I've been there. I remember doing that. But let's just have an honest discussion. You are not an investor. Let's at least get that correct. If you are day trading and playing momentum, you are not an investor. You are probably best called a trader. You are a trader. Nothing wrong, but I would argue that investors think long term. They are less swayed by the day to day, the hour, the minute of what is going on. But beyond traders, there are speculators or gamblers. These are the folks that go out and add margin. They take on more than maybe they should because of course they are always right and things are amplified. I was one of these people and why I could lose 80% of my portfolio in a couple of weeks. So, I want you to ask yourself if over the last 3 or 4 days your emotions are frayed, you are rattled. Some people might call you a paper hand or non-diamond hand or any other nonsense. Forget what other people call you. If you can't sleep at night because of your trading portfolio, because of your leverage, because of whatever, it's a time it's a your body is telling you something. Second, I do believe that if you choose to invest on like a pay yourself first or a dollar cost averaging, or you're always putting 5% in every paycheck, and you continue to do that throughout time, you will win. You will win. The numbers say you will win. Unfortunately, many of us do this. You do it 5%, 5%, 5%. You get a big pile of kitty. Then you double down or you take it out to do something else. You've really got to let time be your friend. If you are putting money in your 401k or you're putting some stuff in an index fund or you're doing all of those things, let it run. Let it run. I have seen some people do it for 6, 7, 8, 9 years, and then they take it all out and they got to start over. You've got to let that compounding kick in and move forward. Lastly, I believe investing, not trading, not speculating. I believe investing needs to almost be boring. Boring. Set it, forget it, dollar cost average. For me, boring means 30-year debt. To me, it means loan to value or LTV at 70% or below. To me, that means letting inflation be my friend, not my enemy. So I have chosen real estate. It moves a lot slower. I can get in with 70% LTV, very safe. I have fixed rate debt for 30 years. Inflation increases the asset. I get to keep all of the appreciation. Inflation increases the rent. I get to keep all of the NOI, net operating income, or net cash flow. But again, if you want to be a stock investor or crypto investor, remember it should almost be boring, right? You're busting your butt during the day, you're putting 5, 10, 15% away. You are a trader if you are in and out every day, and you are a speculator if you are applying leverage to all of that. And again, lastly, one more time, if your investments are keeping you up at night, that is a sign. So I think investing is wonderful. Investing has turned me into a multimillionaire. Uh, Investing is wonderful. Trading can win, but I don't know if you know this. 90% of Wall Street traders don't beat the index funds. Trading, trading's a hard game, especially when markets turn. And of course, speculators are just gamblers, and the house always eventually wins. So have a wonderful day. Let's see where the market goes tomorrow, because we won't only have one case. We could double it or maybe triple it by tomorrow and have 2 or 3 cases. Let's see what happens. Have a great day. Have a great afternoon. Take care. Bye bye.